Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for dessert, I made a caramelized orange cake. It's delicious, I love it, and I'll show you how to make it. Prepare a standard size loaf pan with butter and sugar. Slice the oranges, put on the bottom of the pan and pop it in the oven to caramelize the oranges. Then start with your batter. You're going to mix up the wet ingredients. Mix the dry ingredients and sift the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. When the pan comes out of the oven, just pour the cake batter onto the orange slices and bake for 30 minutes, and there you go. Let's make a glaze with orange juice and powdered sugar. Set that aside and invert. Do a little repair job if it's necessary. It happens. And then invert again, because we're going to take that glaze and start poking holes. This is the bottom of the cake, and then you pour the glaze over the holes. You'll invert again and serve. And look how beautiful that is. Vibrantly zesty, orangey, and so good. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.